WeatherStar 4000 Video Enterprises Inc. presents. Evil Dinosaur uses the Staff Vending Machine and gets grounded. And was inspired by Jacksepticeye and TV Filthy Frank.
Yuck, I hate all the products served in the student vending machines like this one. All of the products in it tasted gross. I wish I can get real soda from the vending machines like what the teachers get. Wait a minute, idea, ding ding, I will find the Staff Vending Machine, which serves real soda, and buy something from it. Ha 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 ha. Awesome, I found the Staff Vending Machine in this teacher's lounge, and yay, it serves real soda. Let's buy something. Yay, I just bought real soda. Oh hell no, I'm busted, it's Principal Omar. Evil Dinosaur, I saw footage from the security camera that you used the Staff Vending Machine. Did you? Well, you will be really mad, but... yes. I... did. Oh, Evil Dinosaur, how dare you use the Staff Vending Machine? That's it, you are now suspended for 11 weeks? Get out!
Evil Dinosaur, I can't believe you used the Staff Vending Machine. You know those machines are restricted to your school teachers and administration only.
But Dinosaur, the soda in the student vending machines tasted gross.
I don't care! You are grounded for 496 weeks. Go to bed now.
Wah.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. That's all for now. This is WeatherStar 4000 Video, signing out. Bye.